Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Living the dream?
Can you turn up that?
Are you guys having fun? You having a good weekend?
Yeah.
Nate, are you excited about tomorrow?
Yes.
You ready to race? Mm-hmm. Sick of watching all these other boys race?
Yeah.
This is what motocross is all about, guys. Right here.
It is 150. There's 150 average down blocks on an Arenacross track.
Oh yeah, baby. We got Stank Dog here. We're at the Reno Arenacross. Little man's gonna go out here and he's gonna kill it, baby.
Right on. Congratulations last night, man. You killed it.
Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Good luck, buddy.